This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning to one and all. In previous class, we studied the fundamental three matrices: fundamental incident matrix, fundamental dissect matrix, fundamental cut set matrix. We have seen the properties of three matrices, and also we solved the one problem for each matrix. Today, we are going to solve the few more problems for each and every matrix. So, the students at least listen today itself very clearly so that you can cover previous two sessions also. While solving the problem, here also I will explain the properties of each problem, properties of each matrix, so that you can easily write the properties of each and every fundamental matrices. Right? Now, the first problem. Here, see, don't confuse. Here I represented nodes and branches with same numbers only. So see my directions. Okay. No problem, no issue. If you know the concept, you can easily segregate what are the nodes and what are the branches, right? So here, how many nodes are there? Node 1, node 2 in the middle, node 3, and node 4, right? Now, how many branches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't confuse nodes and branches with same numbers. Node is nothing but more than one branch connected together. At this point, more than one branch. Already I told incident matrix. So branches in horizontal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nodes in vertical 1, 2, 3, 4. See everyone, node 1. In node 1, I told in incident matrix, the branches leaving from the node will be considered as positive one. The branches entering towards the node will be considered as -1. The branches are not connected to the node, that will be treated as 0. Now see, node 1. In node 1, branches 1, 4, 2 are connected. 2 and 4 are leaving from the node. That's why +1, and 1 is entering towards the node. That's why -1. Remaining all branches except 1, 2, 4, remaining all branches are not connected to the node 1. That's why all zeros. Next, node 2. Node 2, how many branches are connected? 4, 5, 6. 4 is towards the node. That's why the branch 4 is taken as -1, and 5, 6 are leaving the node. That's why we take +1. Remaining branches are 0, 0. Same like node 3. Node 3, branch 2, branch 5 are entering. That's why minus. Branch 3 leaving. That's why plus. Right? Same like node 4 also. Now, by removing this reference node 4, you will get a reduced incident matrix. I explained already in previous class the advantages of reduced incident matrix are less computational, that means less calculations, and usage of memory also less. This is the procedure of incident matrix, right? The steps directly you can take in as properties. Next. See, next here. So same graph, we are going to solve dissect matrix and cut set matrix. The previous class, I clearly stressed the fundamental basic concepts in tie set and cut set. Now, in tie set, first in tie set, we need to identify the links present in the graph. Now, in the graph, the links are 2, 4, 7, represent with dotted lines. See the picture. While solving the matrix for the tie set, we need to consider links. Initially, we need to consider links. Links represent with dotted lines. Those links are 2, 4, 7. Right? Now, next, how many links are there? 3 links are there. 2, 4, 7. So we will get 3 tie set. Tie set 2, link will be 2. That's why name itself named as tie set 2, tie set 4, tie set 7. Tie set 2, tie set 2. See tie set 2. This is what our link. So in this link will form loop. This loop 2, 3, 5 is one loop. 2, 3, 5 one loop. Loop should consist one and only link. So in 2, 3, 5, 2 is link. Clear? Next. Tie set 4, that is link 4. Link 4, 4, 1, 3. This is another loop. In this loop, link one and only link. One link should be. Not more than one link. That link is 4. Right? 4, 1, 3. Remaining 1 and 3 are 1, 3 branches are tweaks, dotted dark lines. Next, one more tie set 7. 7 in 7 is the link. The branch 7 is the link. 7, 6, 1, 3, 5. See everyone. 7, 6, 1, 3, 5. 7, 6, 1, 3, 5. 7 is the link. 6, 1, 3, 5 are tweaks. Means not links. So if you consider this one, 7, 6, 1, 2. If you consider 7, 6, 1, 2, 7 is the link, 2 is the link. This is absolutely wrong. Why? Because each loop should contain one link only. But in this 7, 6, 1, 2, 7, 6, 1, 2, 2 and 7 are the links. So we cannot consider this as a loop. So we will consider 7, 6, 1, 7, 6, 1, 3, 5. Now, for this matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the branches. 2, 4, 7 are the links. 2, 4, 7 are the links. Now, I told already, we should follow the which direction? Link direction. Now, in loop 2, that is tie set 2, loop 2, here, link direction is what? Anti-clockwise direction. See, second branch. This is link. This direction is what? Anti-clockwise direction. The branches present in the loop, if it is anti-clockwise, take plus. If not, take minus. So the branches present in the loop, 2 is link already anti-clockwise, 2 directly taken as by default plus 1, and 3 also anti-clockwise, so plus 1, and 5 clockwise, so 5 is minus 1. Remaining branches are does not belongs to this loop, that's why zeros. Next, second loop, second tie set, that is tie set 4. Tie set 4. In this, we should follow the branch 4 direction. Y means branch 4 is link. This is anti-clockwise direction. In this, 4 is taken as directly positive. Why? Because 4 is link only. Next, 2 and 3, the branches present in the loop, that is tie set 4. 2 and 3, 1 and 3 are clockwise direction. That's why minus 1. Same tie set 7, that is loop 3, tie set 7 or loop 3. We should follow the link direction. That link here is 7. 7 is what? Anti-clockwise direction. So 7 directly taken as 1, positive 1. Remaining, see everyone, branch 1, branch 3, branch 7. Branch 7 already linked. Branch 1 and 3 are same direction, that is anti-clockwise direction, like link 7. That's why we consider +1. Remaining all branches are 0. Why? Because that those branches are not belongs to this particular loop. Right? Next, fundamental cut set matrix. Fundamental cut set matrix properties. Each cut set, listen everyone, first, before going to solve this problem, we need to consider the figs. Whereas in die set, we need to consider links. Whereas in cut set, we need to consider figs. Those are dark lines. Figs are nothing but branches of tree. Those are 1, 3, 5, 6. See everyone, 1, 3, 5, 6. I'm circulating. I encircle the some rectangular dotted box each fig except this one, and this one. Right? Now see. First, how many cut sets are formed? So 4 figs are formed. 4 figs are available. So 4 cut set will form. Now first cut set 1. Cut set 1. I told already each cut set 1 fig present, remaining all are links only. Whereas in tie set, each loop 1 link present, remaining all are figs only. This is opposite. Tie set and top set are opposite. In cut set, each cut set consists of 1 fig, remaining all are links only. Whereas in tie set, each loop 1 link, others are figs. Now see cut set. Now cut set 1. Cut set 1. Cut set 1. Where is cut set 1? Cut set 1 means one branch 1 here tick. So the combination, see everyone, 1 is tick, 4 like this, 1 4 7 1 4 7. We can draw the arc from 4 here to crossing the 4, crossing the 1 and crossing the 3. Should not touch 6 and 3. Why? Because 6 and 3 are fixed. So 4 1 3 4 1 7 4 1 7. In 4 1 7, 4 is tick, 1 pig, 1 and 7 are linked. Next, cut set 3 at 3, node 3 or pig 3. Now see, 3 is the stick, 4 7 2 3. See everyone, 3. This is 3. This is 3. This is 4. 4 3 2 7. This is the arc. So starting from 4 3 4 3 2 7. In this 3 is the tick, 4 2 7 are links. 4 2 7 are links. So property satisfied. Next, cut set 5. This 5 means what? 5 is the fig. Cut set 5 means not number 5. Cut set 5 means fig represent fig. So in this 5 2 7, 5 is the tick, 2 is the link, 7 is the link, like this. Next, six cut set 6, not number 6, fig 6. Now 6, see, like this, 6 and 7, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. 6 is the tick, 7 is the what? 7 is the link. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are the branches. 1 3 5 6, 4 cut sets. Cut set at 1, cut set at 3, cut set at 5, cut set 6. 1 3 5 6 are fixed. Now at 1, we take 1 always positive. Why? Because we should follow the tweak direction. Now see, cut set 1, cut set 1. 1 is cut set 1. See, 1 is away from the node. 1 is what? Away from the node. So away from the node, same other branches means other links. If anyone is away from the node, that will be plus. If anyone is leaving from towards the node, that will be minus. See everyone, 1 4 7. In 1 4 7, 1 4 7, 1 is tick, so positive. That direction is away from the node. So 4 also away from the node, that's why positive. 7 not away from the node, towards the node. 7 will be minus. Next, cut set at 3. So 3 means fig direction. Fig directly 3 taken positive. See, 3 4 7 2. 3 4 7 2. See, 4 towards the node. towards the node, 3 also towards the node, 4 also towards the node, 2 also towards the node. Why we should follow the 3? Why? Because 3 is the twig. So 2, 4 positive. 7 also towards the node. 7 also take positive. What about 2? These are the away from the node. What about 2? This will be minus. So once again I will explain, don't be confused. So cut set 3, that is 3, that is 4, 3, 2, 7. 4, 3, 2, 7, we should follow the branch 3 direction. Why? Because branch 3 is T. Now branch 3 direction is away from the node. Consider away from the node. So 4 away from the node, 2 and 7 are towards the node. That's why 2 and 7 will be negative. 4 and 3 will be positive. 3 already positive. So with respect to 3, 4 is also same. That's why. Right. Next, C, last cut set, sixth cut set, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So follow the branch 6. Why? Because branch 6 is T. This is towards the node. This is towards the node. 7 also towards the node. 6 and 7 are positive. Remaining all zeros. Remaining all are zeros. So same like this one. Observe everyone. Observe everyone. For the common graph. For the common graph. For the common graph. I consider. See everyone. This graph. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 are nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the branches. At node 1, how many branches are leaving? How many branches are entering? Now 1 is entering, and 3 is entering. That's why 1 and 3 are minus. 4 is leaving. That's why 4 is plus. 2 is not connected to this node. That's why 0. Next, at node 2. At node 2, 2 and 3 are entering. 4 is leaving. So 4 is minus 1. 2 and 3 are plus 1. At node 3, 1, branch 1 is leaving. Branch 2 is entering. That's why branch 1 is positive, branch 2 is leaving. If you remove the dummy node, that is reference node 3, that will be the reduced minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. If you add columns of incident minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1 plus 1 plus 0, 0. So if you add columns of any column of incident matrix, that will be sum will be 0. That is the property. Next, for the same graph, I am going to draw the tie set. So before going to draw the tie set, I told many times we need to consider links. How many links are there? 2 links are there. How many links are there? Link 3 and link 4. So how many loops will form? 2 loops will form. First loop. See everyone. Loop first 3. Tie set 3, that is 3, 1, 2. 3 is the link. 1, 2 are the link. 1, 2 are the twigs. So each loop contains one link only. So here one link 3. Now second tie set, that is 4. Loop 4. 4, 1, 2. In this 4, 1, 2, 4 is the link branch. 1, 2 are the twig branches. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4. First loop. First tie set loop are same. Tie set the terminology is different, but tie set 3. In tie set 3 direction is what? Which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. So 3 by default, in 3 by default 3 is positive. 1 and 2 are clockwise direction. That is 1 and 2. The branches present in the loop are 1 and 2. Those directions are opposite to the link direction, that is branch 3 direction. That's why minus 1, minus 1. Next, in loop 2, 1, 2, 4. In 1, 2, 4, 4 is our link. 4 link direction and 1, 2 directions are similar. That's why all positive, 1, 1. Remaining is 0. Next, in cut set. In cut set, before going to draw the cut set, we need to identify the number of twigs in the cut set. Number of twigs are, how many twigs are there? Twigs are nothing but 3 branches, 1 and 2. 2 twigs are there, 2 cut set will form. Each cut set should consist one pig only. Remaining all are loops only. Remaining all are, sorry, links only. See everyone. 1, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 3, 4 are links. 1 is streak. Next here 2, 3, 4. 2 is streak. 3, 4 are links. So see first one. 1 pig direction is towards the node. So 1 directly default positive. So 3 is also towards the node positive, same like 3, and 4 away from the node. That's why minus. Same in cut set 2. Follow the direction of pig direction. Pig direction is away from the node. So 2 directly taken as positive. 3 also away from the node positive. 4 is towards the node. That's why negative. Observe the following problem and values. So I told many times these are the very important in examination point of view, and very simple also. Very simple. You can score maximum in first unit itself. Why? Because in second and third somewhat complicated compared to first unit. This is very easy. You can below 10th standard people also understand. Why? Because upcoming, going, take plus 1, take minus 1. These are the simple directions. So right. So cut set. First one incident matrix, second one tie set, third one cut set matrix. Thorough the problem. So we will see the next class. What are the KCL and KVL equations for the incident matrix, and KCL KVL equations for the tie set matrix. Same KVL and KCL equations for the cut set matrix, and also we will see what is the relation between incident matrix, tie set matrix, cut set matrix by using KVL and KCL concepts. Thank you, everyone.